In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Lovehoney discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Lovehoney discount codes. Right here, select this website which is called voucher codes. And as you can see, we have a list of different promo codes that we can use right here. For example, if I want to get this one with 18% off order, of my next order, of course, all I have to do is select that code right here and copy this promo code right here. And if I'm going to apply this one on my next purchase, I will get the discount 18% right here. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com that also provides some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this one with 20% off your next order, all you have to do is select your coupon code right here, and this is the discount code that you can copy and apply on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.